Now let's wheel across to Katrina Kaif, and I certainly don't blame so many men for being head over wheels in love with her, because let's face it, all men love a girl who can handle a mean machine.
Well, we are here at the Film City in Mumbai, and all this mayhem that you see, there are cars, there are people standing, there are people from the media who are standing here, there are OB vans that are up, is for only one reason and one reason only, because Katrina Kaif has decided to ride the bike. Now, Katrina Kaif has decided to ride the bike. Why? Because in her last film, which released on Friday the 15th, which is Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, in that film she actually rode a bike while she's chasing Hrithik Roshan. So we are still waiting for Hrithik Roshan, but Katrina Kaif though went for a run or two. This is what happened there.
First came the 100cc, then the 500cc. Katrina Kaif clearly looked nervous but managed somehow. Then came Hrithik Roshan. Katrina had clearly gained confidence by then.
It would have been easier if there weren't so many people in front of me, but it's fun. I really like riding bikes, and it's something I want to do anyways more often, ride to shoot on a bike. But I still am waiting for one to be gifted to me. No one's gifted me a bike yet, so.
I get the hint.
Yeah, he's an ambassador for a bike.
I get the hint. ऋतिक बैठने से पहले और बैठने के बाद आपने क्या-क्या मंत्र पढ़े थे? बैठने से पहले, to be honest, well, as I said, I don't know many girls who can ride a bike, especially double seat. So बैठने से पहले, yeah, little bit, you know, little. But बैठने के बाद I was like, wow.
Well, that was Katrina Kaif's reaction on why she chose to ride a bike today. But let me also tell you that the film has released last weekend, which was Friday the 15th. The only other film that released with Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara was Harry Potter. And in India, at least, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara clearly beat the collections of Harry Potter. But the film that is now in contention is Singham. Singham, the Ajay Devgan starrer Singham, released today. And perhaps the stars of ZNMD want to beat that film too.
Indirectly, I guess it's for the film. But it's more to, I think she really had to prove it to all of the boys in the film.
We were supposed to do it on the road trip. Remember, we kept on trying to do it on the road trip, and it just kept on getting pushed. So
she never got the chance to prove it to us. So now it's proven to the entire world, including me and Farhan and Abhay, that she really can do it.
both of them were nice. Actually, I don't mind taking either one of them home. I could take either one of them and just go home now. I'm fine with them. They're both nice bike riding.
The ride, however, wasn't always smooth. When the glitch finally came, off came the helmet and Hrithik Roshan hopped off the bike to play bodyguard.
प्रॉब्लम तो ये है कि जिंग को जरूरत नहीं है बॉडीगार्ड्स की, वो बॉडीगार्ड सकती है। जैसे कि अभी मुझसे करीना बोल रही थी, कटरीना कैफ।
Well, I think we should all give a huge round of applause for Katrina. Not many men can do what she did on the bike. It was incredible. आप लोग सब इतने excited थे, इतने bikes थे, इतनी cars थी, उन सब के बीच में से she's negotiated the traffic and gone. It's unbelievable. I think once more.
Yes, a huge round of applause for Katrina, and for the next time, a free lesson in road rage for Mr. Roshan. In Mumbai, Vikram Thapa for NDTV.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.